Hi, it's Wayne from Undone, and we have Meet the Rep number 3. So my rep today is Mike from UPOL.
How you doing?
And we're going to whiz through the questions, and hopefully there's going to be a couple of tips there for you as well. So obviously I've introduced Mike. Mike, how long have you been working as a rep for UPOL?
Working for UPOL for 4.5, coming up 5 years this year, yeah, 5 good years.
And what sort of areas do you cover?
I'm national, so UK and Ireland, so Northern Ireland and the whole of the UK as a account manager, yeah.
Well, that's quite a large area.
A lot of travelling.
I didn't realise it was that
yeah,
large.
3.5-year-old car, about 120,000 miles so far. So I get around, yeah.
Yeah, you do get around. What do you like most about your job?
Meeting people like you, Wayne, really.
I don't know, I could give you some grief.
You have already. No, just the travelling. I like travelling, seeing the country, meeting our customers. I was a painter myself before this, so I've only been doing this like 4.5 years.
Yeah.
So I was a painter for 17 years in body shops. So it's nice to meet our customers who I just feel like I've got a lot in common with them.
And it's nice to know that you've got that knowledge behind you as well.
Yeah.
Not just
so I don't just sell products because
yeah.
of what I've read on a presentation or something like that. It's actually I've used them, and I've used a lot of our competitors' products as well. So.
And I actually prefer that because when you've got someone talking to you about a product, you want to know that they have that sound-based knowledge behind them.
Yeah.
I was going to ask you who's your favourite repair. I need to think of another question. I wouldn't ask you that one.
I like a lot of repairers. I don't have no favourites.
You're just PC.
Yeah, I'm just I will be for this video.
I'll tell you that. Yeah. What's your favourite tool or product?
So if it's a favourite product, it's got to be currently at the minute UPOL Rapid Glaze,
which I have one here, by the way.
Yeah. Great product. Lovely to use. Does everything you want a glaze to do. Nice and quick curing at this time of year, so it's essential. 10-minute cure, or you can IR lamp it if necessary. Great product.
Yeah, I have to also endorse this product. I've been using it now for about probably about 2 months. Do you think? Yeah. So through the winter months, I don't tend to infrared it just because I have the hot bro, but it works really well on that. And it is super quick. So summertime, this is going to be even quicker. So it's definitely a product worth looking at. It's not as thin as the Dolphin Glaze, so it means you can work with slightly larger areas.
You could do a bit more of a small repair, a small dent, should I say. Whereas Dolphin Glaze would follow a dent, it's more for pinhole final finishing. You could do a small repair with just that. No need for filler or any additional product.
And it comes on a larger bike, doesn't it? Isn't it?
So
twice the size.
Twice the size of Dolphin Glaze. So that's an 880. A Dolphin would be a 440. There's no waste, so it's in a bag. Roll it up, get all the products out. So minimal.
Yeah, definitely worth. Next time you're looking for some nice little filler glaze, check this stuff out. Do you have a tip for us finally?
Tip? More so in relation to this time of year. I see a lot of hot air guns being used on our body fillers and other people's body fillers. Not really something we advocate. Gentle warming from a distance is okay. Really, we would recommend IR curing because of the wavelength of the IR cure. It will cure the product right down to the substrate, so it through cures it much better. It'll be crisper to sand. You'll get better adhesion rather than just toasting the top. Right. The hot air gun, the underneath can stay soft,
hot air is not
and then you can get delamination and all kinds of problems. So IR lamps really if you're curing your filler. And also another tip, is this going on too long? No. So another tip, so when mixing your filler as well, the ideal is 2% hardener. A lot of people overshoot at this time of year. You can go 3% as a max, down to 1% in the summer to retard it back. 2% is the ideal, and if you're changing fillers, beware that you mix your filler by weight. So it's 2% by weight. So if you change your filler to a heavier filler, so say from a lightweight, like our Dolphin fillers, and then you went to something heavier like a Smooth 7, don't just put the same amount of hardener in because it's a heavier filler. You need a little bit more hardener.
That's a great trip.
Yeah.
Just finally to wrap this one up, I want to thank Mike for coming down and thank him for all the support. For you guys that follow me on the giveaways, UPOL has sponsored March's giveaway, so check out for that. But they also have a special offer on. This is available to anyone in the UK. You can win an iPad. All you need to do is buy one of these one of their range of fillers.
Any UPOL filler, yeah.
Any UPOL filler.
Three iPads to give away.
Yeah.
Guys, you need to enter this because
it's
a lot of people
March.
buy into it but they don't enter their details online, and all you need is proof of purchase and all your body shop details, all your business details.
Absolutely.
And there definitely is 3 iPads there to be won.
And if you're thinking of changing fillers, this is probably a good time to do it, because you could be in a chance to win one of the iPads. They've got 3 draws in March. The first one is on Monday the 4th, and then there's 2 consecutive ones. So look, you've got to be in it to win it. So I hope that helps.
Yeah. You can enter from as small as a 1K Dolphin putty. That's kind of like £7-8 out there. So you can enter just by showing proof of purchase on one of those. So it's a no-brainer. No-brainer.
If you're watching this after March 2019, that deal is over now. But the rest of it all applies. Thanks so much, and look forward to seeing you on the next Meet the Repairer. Bye.